of the media. First of all, I wish to thank you all very much for accepting our invitation and gathering here on the occasion of this media briefing from the top management of Fujitsu General Ltd, Japan. And I would like to welcome you all to this first briefing and a small presentation. Before I go any further, I would like to introduce the dignitaries on the stage in the order of the seniority. First, we have Mr. Saito. He is the President and Representative Director based in and innovative company specialized in the fields of air conditioning and telecommunications, and operating in the areas of product design, development of products and components, and engaged in the activities of sales and service in over 100 countries in the world. And this brand has attained leadership in many countries, including Japan. Before I explain the competitively, I would like Mr. Saito to have few words and greet all of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. To introduce, my name is Saito, President of the company. Today is really Memorial Day for Fujitsu General to start new journey in this important market in India. It was 20 years ago when I was young. I was in charge of Indian market and formed a joint venture company in India. Indian market had a very strong, huge potential, yet untapped for us. Joint venture company made a lot of success. However, since because recent very rapid market situation changed, as a brand holder of General and also manufacturer, we have concluded to move here in the marketplace with a customer for more quick action for customer and also local-oriented product development. It's very happy and exciting now, and Fujitsu General Ltd, Fujitsu, we are going to have the full support commitment to this country of India for this development. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope everybody to be a witness for a new journey in this year. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That is the product that we have got for the market this year. Now we can open for Q&A.
What is your market share in Tamil Nadu?
We are about 4 to 5% in volume terms. Maybe value terms we are a little higher than that because we have a higher average sales price.
But overall market share, what is it? In
So the
AC market?
Yeah, I said it's about 7 million of units annually. And we have about 3% market share today in terms of volume. By value, we are about 4% annually.
See, it has become an essential product now.
Yes.
Even if you reduce 10% in your premium, 40% is still 40% premium. How do you think you can compete with effectively? Because it has become a price-sensitive product now.
See,
so
there are
plans?
over 70 brands in the market today. So most brands operate typically within lower specification levels. That's the reason they also become little competitive. I don't say cheaper, they become a bit more competitive. And these products have a better fit, quality, finish, which makes the product a little expensive than others. So the average lifespan is about 2 to 3 times over others. If you look at the market today, I'm not claiming with certain certificates, but I'm saying on an average, the mass brands last for about 70, 80 years. But then we are able to give a life of 15, 20 years. That's what I'm saying from the user experience. So that's the quality you pay for. That's the reason we are actually
In terms
for
of
us, moderation 10% is a huge,
reduction.
task. Yes.
In terms of power savings, how does it compare with competition? Say 3-star 1.5 ton with the competition.
See, as long as the B, energy efficiency gives the certificate, it is the same for everybody at 35 degrees. But the point what we are trying to make here is that when the outdoor ambient temperature starts going up, products will start derating in its efficiency to give higher cooling. So we have this technology which will enable the product to give higher the cooling output and the lower duration. So because we have this onboard the efficiency which are higher, so it gives a better power saving at a high temperature and when the machine is working in part load conditions.
You said you are entering directly now, which means ETA is out now, or what is the current structure now?
Yeah, now the new company is called Fujitsu General India Private Limited, which is the 100% owned subsidiary of Fujitsu General Ltd. Japan. So earlier joint venture with ETA has been terminated and we exited from that joint venture.
Okay.
Now we are a new company under the the headquarters directly.
So you will have your own network of service and sales center.
Yes, it is all the same. It has been completely taken over by the new venture.
Actually, joint venture agreement with them is just for the manufacturing long-term production in the Chile area. But because of FTA between Thai and India, we found that there's no meaning to make a production here. So since we have no assembly here, automatically their agreement is disappear. The situation is right.
Does it also give you some cost advantages in manufacturing?
See, of course, there will be certain advantages because there is a FTA existing between Thailand and India. So we are importing currently from Thailand. The free trade agreement between India and Thailand, there will be some kind of the duty concessions for such imports, which when weighed against the local manufacturing. Of course, there have been some changes, but then of course, that's one of the reasons why we are expensive because we are importing.
The starting price is 24,000, right, for the 1 ton?
That's the window AC of 0.8 ton. That's the starting range, but not for this. These prices have not been finalized because we will be introducing the market only in the month of March. So by then only we will be able to announce the prices.
Your plans of setting up a new unit work, what is the status?
That you will have to answer. He is talking about
New factory.
New factory in Andhra Pradesh or Tamil Nadu?
he is talking about new manufacturing facility. Is that in plan to set it up? Is the question.
Now we have the two major factories in Thai and China, and we are looking for the new possible area to make a production. Of course, India is one of the candidates, but as he said, we need to have because of the FTA now, there's no big merit at present moment. We have completed our investigation research about this possibility. There should be a lot of them. If we really have the merit to produce here, we will do so. And there's maybe alliance production, something like that. But one thing we have to be very much, keep in mind is our extreme machine is called a very high quality premium brand. We must make sure the quality and at present moment, even not us, our customer or dealers are a little bit worried about if we make the production in India at present moment. So we must think about it very carefully about that.
You are looking for a site, or what exactly is the challenge now?
Challenge is the cost competitiveness. See, now that we already have facilities, and there is a route of importing today which we are catering to, to the market. That is sufficiently now balanced for the pricing and the, the market pricing premium that we are currently commanding. So he is saying if there is expansion, India is one of the places where there will be investment in future. But it is not spelled out at the moment, but it is considered.
Puducherry is assembly one or what?
No, there used to be an agreement with.
Okay.
Yeah. Till the time Pondicherry government has tax holidays, that is up to 2000, there was a manufacturing facility. Since 2000, since there was no holiday, tax holidays, so it was actually terminated.
So currently it's completely imported and sold.
It's completely imported and sold.
Last time you said it will be an investment of $200 million, but why this change?
You want to take the question? What is 200 million?
Actually, we haven't changed that idea yet. Because of delay of our direct sales, maybe about 1 year. So we have to change the schedule, but very roughly, nothing has been fixed yet. It's very much different whether we make the factory here or not. But half of that, out of the 200 million, is investment or the market development, also the sales promotion and brand creativity, plus human resources. This is half of that. Maybe rest of the another 1 million is divided into the local manufacturing possibility and M&A.
How strong is your sales network? Do you have a pan-India network?
See, currently we are present across the country, and if you look at the formats of the channel, we are with all the A-class, the retail dealers in the country. So brand is available in about 4,000 outlets in the country. We have the modern retail as channel, we have retail as a channel, we have sales service dealers as a channel, and we have distributor also. Through them, we are placed in about 4,000 outlets during the season time across the country. We are sufficiently placed. There is no issue to place them. So to back that, we have a very strong the service associate network for after sale and for the installation. So there we are very strong with the service and after sale.
What has been your growth in the last 2 years?
We have been actually flat. Last 2-3 years we have not been able to grow because, as I said, this lineup contributes almost 40% to the overall market. So we are expecting the growth to happen from this year. So when this contributes to 40% and we are absent in that particular segment, obviously the growth is very difficult to come by. So with the introduction of this, now we want to grow by 50% every year, maybe next 3 years or so. Currently we are about 3% market share. We want to take it to almost 6% next 3 years.
As he said, that our performance this year may be flat compared with the last year. And one of the reasons, as he explained, and another reason is nearly every trade and the dealer knows Fujitsu General is coming very soon directly. They're waiting, they paused to purchase last year. So I think our first trade package offer to them, and they're very, very
Sufficiently attractive.
they like the
Yes.
package, right? So that's why this year 2020 is their year to restart our growth in this market.
Your products are available in e-commerce segment also?
No, not really.
Okay. Any plans to start
No, not.
direct only?
See, about the safety measures,
Yeah.
so why the air conditions are getting burst? Is there any precautions that has been implemented?
Air conditioner getting burst meaning?
Sometimes it explodes.
Explodes
We have cases
even the
of
lights are being,
conditioners.
It's happened.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying it's happened with this brand.
Not particular about the brand,
So-
I'm
so
asking
saying,
you.
Yeah, I understand. It happened in the past. It is happening in certain parts with certain makers also. The reason being, the manufacturers have changed the gas used in the system. Maybe because of the lack of knowledge of the technician working on the machine. If the system is the wrong gas, because pressure difference, the system will explode. That may be the reason. Otherwise, from the design part of it, there is no reason. Everybody has a sound design to safeguard the product from such accidents. Maybe very rarely it might have happened. Never in a scale that it is rediscuss.
So far in the market, you never had sold this 110, 1.5, 3 ton, 2
No,
tons.
we are selling in 5 stars.
It's not a 3-star.
And we are selling in fixed speed also. But 3-star inverter type, this is the first time we introducing to the market. So this is actually driving the volume in the market today. So as I said, I'm repeating, this is about 40% of the overall market, which we have not been catering to so far. So by introduction of these models now automatically we expect the mass to come to us. With that we will be able to grow. And the growth what we have planned is about 50% next 2-3 years continuously.
3-star as a whole or 3-star inverters make up 40%?
3-star as a category.
As a category.
As a category.
Holiday is one of them.
No, there are no tax holidays at all.
No.
Now,
I'm
at the
asking.
moment.
The government agrees for tax holiday, then you will come here for manufacturing, or what?
See, one of the reasons clearly we need to attain certain critical mass. At a level we are today, the manufacturing will not help us. It is only burden on us. We are waiting for certain critical mass to be arrived at.
What is that?
No, there will be certain, we have certain working on that.
Yeah,
I
what
won't
is
be able to share that with you. I'm just saying, till the time we don't attain that critical mass, there is no point in having manufacturing investment at the moment. But it is being considered, like he said, the next destination for the manufacturing will be India when it is decided.
So when you jump from 3% to 6%, do you think that will be time when you come?
That may be the time. That will be the time.
That's some 2 years you're expecting.
Yeah, 2 to 3 years.
Since you are told that the O General is now quite the durability and the period will be more. So do you offer any additional warranty on your product?
Yeah, we do offer. Now you have the compressor. Compressor is the most expensive part of the air conditioner. These are the inverter type. And now we offer 10 years warranty on the compressors.
No, that is generally in the market they are giving.
Yeah, we offer the same thing. We offer the same thing. But what I'm saying, if you look at, not today, if you look at any original product working in the market, it has outlasted 10 years, 15 years, 20 years based on the user condition. So that's the certificate itself. We don't claim that differently, because that's why we have commanded that kind of a premium. So people still come to us for the product because it has outlasted others in terms of its overall lifespan.
So why don't you increase the period, like since you have the confidence it will last for 15 years, so you can give 15 years warranty, right?
No, it doesn't work that way, because today though product can last longer, there is a consumer mind which thinks otherwise. People want to change in every 5 or 10 years. It is little contrary to what product otherwise is able to live for itself.
Please do like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.